Welcome to DGP Star Mission. Today we shall discuss about the chapter 19 upward and downward L and ish. There are two forms of curve L. That is, one is upward L like this we have to write, and one is downward L. Now we will see when to use upward form of L and when to use downward form of L. The upward form of L is commonly used. For example, laps L, P, circle S. Spell circle S, P, L. Coal K, L. Coal O oval. Load L, D, load. Lake L, K, lake. Jelly J, L. After a E vowel. The upward form of L is commonly used. For example, laps, spell, coal, load, lake, jelly. Laps L, P, circle S. Here A vowel, spell, circle S, P, L. Here spell E vowel, coal, K, upward form of L. Here O vowel, load L, D. Here O vowel, lake L, K. Here A vowel, jelly J, L, J, A vowel. Here after L, E vowel. The next rule is, when immediately preceding or following a circle which is attached to a curve L follows the direction of the circle. See, when the L is immediately preceding by a vowel, either preceding by a vowel or followed by a vowel, we have to write the L form as per the direction of that circle. For example, lesson L, circle S, N, lesson. Then vessel V, circle S, L. Here A vowel, nasal N, circle S, L. Losing L, circle S, ink. Losing, we have to write like this. Losing, circle S, L. See here, lesson L, circle S, N. I wrote like this. I cannot write the upward R. Here I cannot write S and N. This will be wrong. So this is a right one. As per the direction of the circle, we have to write the curve L. L, circle S, N. Here vessel V, then circle S direction is downward. So I wrote downward L. Nasal. Here also downward L. Losing, here also downward L. Then the third point is, when followed by N and ink, we have to use downward L. That is, example, only. Then wrongly, ink L. Wrongly or ink L. Wrongly. When followed by N or ink, downward form of L, we have to write here only N, L. After L, E vowel. Wrongly or ink L. After L, E vowel. Next point, when preceded by a vowel, we have to write downward L. And when followed by a vowel, we have to write upward L. So, preceded by a vowel, when it is, we have to write downward L. L, K. Alike. Alone. L, N. Alone. Then along. Downward L, ink. Along. Next, when it is followed by a vowel, we have to write upward L. Long L, ink. Long, lone, L, N hook. Then lame, L, young. See, when it is L is preceded by a vowel, we have to write downward L. Here alike, L, K. Alone, L, N. Then along, L, ink. Since it is preceded by a vowel, I wrote a downward form of L here. Here, when L is followed by a vowel, at that time we have to write upward form of L. L, ink, L, N, L, young, lame. So, we will see, we have some more points when to use upward form of L and downward form of L. I'll explain one more point. This is the fifth point. L is written downward after F, V and SK. After F, V and SK. L, we have to write the downward form of L after F, V and SK. For example, fall, F, L, downward, L, veil, V, L, downward form of L, scale, circle is K, L, downward form of L. L is written downward after F, V and SK. The sixth rule is medial L is written upward. For example, unload, N, L, D. Unload. Then unlock, N, L, K. Unlock. Then facility, F, S, circle is L, T. Facility. See, when the L will come in the middle of the word, at that time we have to write upward form of L. For example, unload, unlock, facility. Then these are the 6 forms, 6 rules we have to follow while using upward and downward form of L. Next we will see the phrases of this chapter. As, is, above the line, a large circle. Is, as, on the line, a large circle. This is it and a large circle. Last year else, st loop, year. Then at first, t, circle is st loop. Just now, just now. See, these are the phrases. As, is, there are 2 s in this circle, hence here it is a large circle above the line. Is, as, here also 2 s. So it is on the line, this is it and there are 2 s here, 1 s and 1 s is here. So large circle, last year L, st loop, here is grammar out, at first T, st loop, then just now J, st loop, N, out of them. So this is about the upward and downward form of L. Now we will see when to use the upward form and downward form of ish. There are 2 forms of curve ish. One is upward ish like this and one is downward ish like this. So we'll see when to use upward form of ish and when to use downward form of ish. When ish curve is joined to another curve, generally follows the motion of that curve. For example, fish, F, ish. Then smash, circle is M, ish. Then lash, L, ish. See, when ish curve is joined to another curve, it follows the motion of that curve. See, this is F. I cannot write like this. So, generally it follows the direction of the previous curve. Fish, smash, circle is M, then ish. Then lash, L-A-S-H, lash, here L, then ish, over. The next point is when joined to straight strokes, we have to use downward form of ish. When ish is joined to straight strokes, at that time we have to use downward form of ish. For example, push, P, circle is, sorry, P and ish, here it is downward form. Cherish, Ch-R-ish, cherish. Then shake, downward form of ish and K. See, when ish is joined to straight stroke, we have to use downward form of ish. Push, cherish, shake. Here P and ish, U vowel, cherish, Ch, R, ish. Here A vowel and E vowel, shake. Ish and K, here A vowel. The next point is, after a straight downstroke with an initial attachment, ish is written in the opposite side of such attachment. After a straight downward stroke with an initial attachment, ish is written in the opposite side of such attachment. Or for example, spacious, circle is P like this. See, circle is P, ish is written opposite to the P stroke. Ish and circle S. Blush, bul, ish. Oval, brush, bul, ish. Here it is oval. See here the P is opposite to ish. Here bul is opposite to ish. Here bur is opposite to ish. After a straight downstroke with an initial attachment, ish is written in the opposite side of such attachment. So now it is clear there are 3 points. In all other cases you can use either upward or downward ish. There is no problem. If you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp me to my mobile number 7892247571. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos related to shorthand. Happy learning. Take care. Bye-bye.